Good morning Kabunggo lovers. Meron lang tayong release today. Bound for Tacloban Leyte. Chameleon. Hyundai Porter 2 double cab. Walang pahinga na deliver oh. Oh. Bacolod to Marbel to Tacloban again. Walang pahinga. Mahal natin ang tuyon kalabers kasi siguradong malamig yung aircon natin. Ay, malinis. Loob mga kalabers. Ang ganda yung unit natin. Bound for Tacloban Leyte. For order and inquiries, just message my page and my YouTube channel for order. Thank you. Bye bye.